Everyone, and welcome to the Boston Public Garden. This is the first snowstorm of the year in Boston in 2020, and really of the winter season. The snow did fall before, but it didn't really amount to anything. Today's storm, I believe, is going to be in the vicinity of 5 to 8 inches when it's all said and done, which it looks like to me. So I just love the way the world works. I love the way when the world looks all covered in snow, so thought it'd be fun to take a video here. I've already taken videos today of the North End and the Boston Public Garden, so if you haven't seen those yet, you can check them out if you want, of course. Yeah, I love when these shrubs look like this. This is just a stunning park overall. Little wind messing with my umbrella. Looks like this is starting to freeze. Oh, it's getting windy here, man. You can see they're just sitting on the ice now. I'd rather not get hit by the snow, a little snow plow if I can help it. There's the George Washington statue. Ooh, close one. I think what I'll do is walk around, back around. That's kind of short. You can barely see Boston in the background now. Maybe walk around back around and underneath the bridge. Oh, yeah, these paths don't look too cleared. I think it's good enough though. Yeah, we'll just walk down there. And then backing around and under the bridge. Maybe I'll take a swing by the Make Way for Ducklings statues. Let's see. I'll go this way. These trees are always like stand out the way they're trimmed. I think they're trimmed this way. I'm assuming that's not natural. Maybe it is. Especially with the way the snow sits on them. Okay, just a quick pause to clean the lens off. I could see that there was water forming on it. Yeah, how pretty is this, huh? Definitely going to stick around and take some regular photos. Check out my site at wayneoxfordphotography.com. Whoa, sorry, avalanche. This is why I'm holding an umbrella in a snowstorm. Anyway, I was saying I'm going to take some regular photos today too. So make sure to check out my photography site at wayneoxfordphotography.com if you want to check them out. Actually, I'm going to check out the lens again. Alright, so we're just going to swing under the bridge. Yeah, see, these guys are, it's a little frozen, they're just sitting on top. These geese. Got to step it up a notch, my battery's getting pretty low. Alright, I guess what I'm going to do is I'm going to stop filming and I'm going to walk over to the ducks, make way for duckling statues and record that. And I might call it a day at that point. I'm going to see how much battery life I have in memory storage. Okay guys, I'm over at the Boston Public Garden entrance. It's closer to Charles Street. And I'll just walk in this way a little bit. Walk by the statues up here. Doesn't seem like anyone's crowded around it right now. Look how pretty these trees are. I think I said that before. You gotta watch out. These after they plow down, these walkways get really slippery. They're mostly buried. The mama, duckling is towering out of there. It looks like they're all wearing like little winter hats. Oh, this one's it fell off. Looks like they were in an avalanche. That's sad. She's doing okay though. No stress for the weather. There we go. Alright, I think I'm going to call it here. As always, if you liked my content, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Every subscription helps. If you like this video, like the video, if you want to. And check out my photography at WayneOxfordPhotography.com. And I'll see you next time.